everybody, welcome to my channel. I am so glad to finally be sharing this video with you all. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do micro loops on your own hair at home. So this hair is from YWigs, as you guys can see here. This is one bundle here after I did dye it jet black and I shampooed it. This is what the hair looks like. I got their silky straight. One bundle does come with 4 smaller bundles, so that's what I was showing you in the previous clip. But yeah, I never have done micro loops, so this is my first time. I'm super excited to share this with you guys. The look came out great. It's super easy, but I will say that this is very time consuming. The time length is similar to doing braids, y'all. Like, this definitely takes a while, but it is not hard to do. So if you are looking for something, you know, tape ends are really popular right now, but if you don't want to do tape ends, this is definitely a great alternative. It was super easy. You'll see very soon. I'm going to show you how to install them. But right now I'm just sectioning off my leave out. It's very similar to doing like a quick weave or anything where you would leave your hair out. So I'm just sectioning off diagonal parts in the front so I can wear my hair up in a ponytail. So, and then I'm going to leave the back out again for a ponytail. I did do half up, half down with this style, but I didn't leave like a part across my head for that because it's not really necessary if the hair kind of hides that, which is great. So again, I loved these. It was just time consuming to do, but the result is so beautiful, gorgeous. I loved it. The hair was great. Again, I got their straight hair. They do also have on their website, I believe, a kinky texture. If you're interested in that, definitely go ahead, check them out. The links, of course, are in the description box below. But let's get into this install. So the micro loops, they have a little loop there, as you see. You just put your strand of hair through it, and then you just go ahead and take the little piece at the bottom, I'm showing you here, and pull it through. Like, literally, girl, that is it. And they're just gonna clamp it down. I have here, I don't know what to call these, but this is like a jewelry type of clamper. So I just got it from Walmart because I didn't have one at my house, and I think it was like $3. So definitely, this is so easy, but it's very time consuming because of the sections that you have to do are really small. So yeah, they're really small, but if you take a too big of a section, it won't even go through the loop. So you'll kind of know what will fit and what won't, because it won't even go through that loop. But you also don't want it to be too small because it'll kind of slip out even after you've clamped it down. But just doing it, you kind of figure out, okay, this is right, this is not right. It's super easy. It's not going to rip your hair out. But one thing I did forget to say is that you're going to want to leave the clip a little bit, about an inch away from your actual hairline, so that it's not pulling. You know, that so that it's kind of like movable. You don't want it to just be stuck at the top to where you can't lift it up and all this, that's gonna pull your hair out. But this one, I didn't have any, like, it wasn't bad on my hair or anything. I feel like I didn't get any pulling. It didn't hurt, nothing. Like, I think this was great. There's no glue, of course, no sewing. Like, this is very easy. Like, if you can't braid or anything like that, girl, this is definitely for you. I love this. I would definitely do it again. But unlike tracks, you cannot use this hair again. I guess you maybe could, because to take this down is super easy as well. Okay, this is one full bundle, as you guys see. But and like I said, this was my first time, so me trying to make it straight across, you see that wasn't really I couldn't really do that. But I did go back and reposition those after I saw how crazy that looked back there. But again, it's just trial and error. These are so easy that you can definitely do that. So what I did to adjust them is I just I think I'm taking it down right now. So yes, all you do is take your clamps and you squeeze the little piece the opposite way so that it opens up. Super simple, super easy, and it does not snag your hair when it's coming down. It doesn't pull, anything like that. But when I wanted to reposition, I just opened the little black piece up and pushed it up. So I would hold my real hair so that my real hair wasn't pushing up as well. I would just hold my real hair and just push it up a little bit, then clamp it back closed. And to take out, of course, clamp it and then pull it down. But this is my hair finished. As you guys can see, I did not leave any like parting in the back. So I'm just like, whatever, let me just do it. This is my first time wearing these. I just wanted to see how it was, and I would definitely say that I love these. I would definitely give them a try again. It looks so great, super natural. I loved wearing ponytails with this. It looked amazing. So I would definitely recommend that you try these out if you're looking for something new, because it honestly, it looks so good, like so good, and they're so easy. If you have the time to do these, definitely just try it out. Just try it out. I don't feel like this is gonna pull your hair out or anything like that. It's not tight on your hair or anything, so I think this would be definitely good. The only thing is that with the flat ironing and things like that, I typically don't like to straighten my hair multiple times throughout the week, but with this type of style, I kind of had to. So that was the only thing I wasn't really into. But yeah, definitely, if you don't mind putting heat on your hair multiple times or whatever, definitely try this out. I've loved it. I forgot to tell you guys how many bundles I have in right now. So originally I got 4 bundles from YWigs in 24 inches, I believe. I forgot to tell you guys that too, but I believe this is in 24 inches. Again, the links are in the description box below, but 24 inches, 4 bundles, and I only used 3. No, I used 2.5 bundles. Yep, 2.5 bundles. So, I feel like if I didn't leave so much hair out, I could have put more in, but you definitely don't even need more in unless you're looking for something a lot fuller. But I liked my result. Super cute. I would definitely do this again, as I've said. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have tried this before, definitely let me know below how you felt. What was the result for you? Did anything snag your hair? And this video that you're watching, well, this clip right now, I've had this hair in for a week already. So this is how it looks after a week. I really wanted to give you guys a thorough review of this hair because, I don't know, just doing something like that is not like a quick weave. You know, your actual hair is out. So I wanted to make sure that it's not something that I felt like would damage my hair. So I wanted to show you guys, give you a good thorough review. And even right now, I'm on week 2 with it and it's still great. But I would say to be careful, like when you're combing your hair, definitely comb it like this, because you can definitely pull your hair if you just go straight into like scalp. You're gonna snag it on the pieces that's connected to your hair. So definitely a gentle brush so you're not snagging those, because that way you would definitely be pulling your hair out. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, oh wait, I forgot to mention how long it took me to install. So I didn't do it like just straight through, so it took me 2 days to install everything. But if you were to just do it all in one sitting, it would probably take you a good 3 hours. Like honestly, it took me about an hour a bundle, so maybe about 3 hours. Yeah, that sounds about right. So very similar to like braids, because again, the strands of hair that can fit into the actual loop are very small, so your parting is, oh, you know what, let me tell y'all about the parting, how to do this. You see that ponytail, y'all? Oh, I just loved it. But anyway, the parting, definitely a little tip: keep everything organized so that you are not tangling your hair up. I used the clip to clip away the hair that was not in the loop yet, and to clip away the hair that I had already looped. So definitely keep it organized, just so you can move through quickly without snagging your hair, pulling it, getting flyaways, everything like that, just so it can be very clean and easy for you. But I believe that is it. Again, if you have a question, let me know below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I cannot wait for even more content to share with you guys. But I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.